This video will feature Flippity's typing test and the certificate quiz. So on the website, you would get this link to a template. And I'm going to show you my template for the months and the days of the week. Okay, so we are going to go to File. Oops. Since my face is in the way, we're just going to move it out of the way there. So File, Publish to the web. Now that it's published to the web, we can go over to get the link. Okay, it says get the link here, so we click there and click on the link. And this generates a typing test, so you could pick, there could be more categories, but I just have months and days of the week. So let's click on months, and then I would have to practice typing these. And really, this could be used for vocabulary words, for spelling, whatever you want the students to practice typing. Definitions. You'd have to go back if they mess up. And at the bottom, it gives them their word per minute. So, some kids might find it fun to try to increase their word per minute at the same time increasing their spelling skills. So I really like that one. Again, it's good for independent practice, or, if you want to have all the students do it during a synchronous lesson, have them, race to see who can get done first with the most accuracy and the highest words per minute. It's kind of fun. All right, so next we are going to look at the certificate quiz. So as always, we start with the spreadsheet template that we got from the Flippity website. And here you have the multiple choice questions. If you go to options, you put the quiz name. This is what will appear on the certificate. Okay, and the certificate image. I've only ever used the image that it generates. I haven't tried to change the image. Okay, so you put the question and then the answers for multiple choice. The one with the asterisk is the correct answer. Okay, so once we're done, we click on the link. Don't forget to publish to the web first. Okay, so we're going to do this quickly here. So that you can see the certificate. Okay, and then the student would get their certificate. They have the option of printing it, and they really enjoy this. So if you, again, wanted them to do it for an assignment, Flippity does not record any information. You would have to have them do a screenshot of this for you. Okay, and that concludes the series of videos on Flippity. I hope that you have enjoyed them.